got a radiator leak here, and it's dripping from the bottom. All right, I'm going to show you how to replace a radiator on a 2002 Ford E-350 7.3 liter, and here we go. Here's my new radiator. So this has to come out in this, so this panel can come off, including these brackets over here. The panel is off. We can go ahead and take this, and this off. These are the brackets that are holding the radiator in, and then we'll take this and this off. So everything's removed from the top at this point. Now I gotta get underneath and pull off 3 hoses. Now to get the lower radiator hose off, and there's a couple other hoses down there. 2 bolts on the back of the clutch fan manifold. So let's get those off. So everything but one hose is still connected. Out with the old. Just dropped the new one in. Make sure to tighten up here and here on these where the fan casing is. Bolted the brackets back in place. And the hoses are now attached right there, and over there. Also attached here. Front panel is on, air filter's on, the duct that goes to that, and just plug this in to here. Okay, before I fill it up with the coolant, I need to double check everything and make sure all the hoses are good. My air filter's in, it's plugged in, everything's on. The tubes underneath are tight, so it's ready for some fluid. Coolant is in. Let's start it up. All right, here goes something.